Welcome to the Infidelity Doctor channel. This is Dr. Talal Al-Salim, and this is the Ask Dr. Talal segment. This is your place to ask any questions you may have about infidelity recovery and prevention. Please remember, this is not a substitute to individual or couples counseling. This is a place for you to get some basic questions answered and then get some clinical insights about affair recovery. So before we get to the question of the day, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the most recent updates. So the question for today is as follows. Do you recommend using tracking apps to rebuild trust? So I'll start by saying this. We need to have a distinction between trust and transparency. I do believe that transparency is crucial for any kind of a healthy relationship, especially after the discovery of infidelity. So transparency means what? It means that in a healthy relationship, there shouldn't be any secrets. So whatever you want to see in terms of what I'm doing on my phone, places that I'm going to be at, there shouldn't be any hidden information about that, especially after the discovery of infidelity, because if you're the betrayed partner, the last thing you want to worry about is where that faithful partner is at. Are they going to the third party? Are they doing something that they're not supposed to? And also, one thing to keep in mind is that the parameters of rebuilding trust after discovering infidelity may seem to be crazy or outlandish for a healthy relationship. Meaning what? I'm okay for the betrayed partner to be able to get whatever information that they need to help them ease their anxiety about where the unfaithful partner is at in terms of location and what they're doing. So if that's going to help you get some peace initially to know where the unfaithful partner is at, more power to you. But what you need to remember is this need for transparency is not going to be the main thing that rebuilds trust. Because in order for you to rebuild trust, you have to be able to understand what type of infidelity happened, what are the reasons that caused the infidelity, and see actual evidence of those reasons being fixed. Anything short of that, you're not going to be able to rebuild trust. It would be just wishful thinking. So this need for tracking apps for parameters of transparency, again, think of it as a rehabilitation tool that you need for the time being until you actually rebuild trust. Because really, in a healthy relationship, you need to be able to trust your partner no matter where they're at, no matter what they're doing. So short answer is that, do I recommend that you have to use tracking apps? I don't say that you have to. I'm saying if you feel actually the need to do so for the time being until you rebuild trust, more power to you, because it's going to help ease that anxiety, as long as you don't confuse that with the actual work that's needed to rebuild trust. But really, more importantly, when I say, as the betrayed partner, whatever there's something that you're concerned about, whether it's location or what kind of emails going on or what kind of text happening in your partner's phone, ask them. So ask them, hey, I need you to show me your phone, show me this, open this app, show me what kind of email exchanges that you're having, assuming again it does not compromise any kind of confidentiality related to what they're doing, work related. And this would be an opportunity for them to actually show you that are they going to be able to pass the test of transparency or fail it, right? Rather than going behind their back and checking into their phone. And again, I always say that it is important for you to be able to showcase that transparency very early on. But even with or without infidelity, a healthy relationship needs that level of transparency. So hopefully that answered the question for the day. Feel free to leave your comments below about the answer that was provided, as well as this is the place for you to ask any questions that you'd like me to answer in future videos. Until then, be well, be safe, and embrace the possibility for a brighter future. Take care.